everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it's Lynn here. So today I'm popping on with week 3 of my mini series creating cards using shapes. In my previous 2 videos I did hearts last week, and my first week I popped on using some octagons. So this week I am going to create 3 cards for you using circles. So here I am just going through my paper pads. First of all, my Ombre design paper pad, where I choose a lovely pink and yellow paper. Then I am going through my creative paper pad, where I choose these lovely circles in pink, and then we have some in little dots in gold, and then through my floral design paper pad, and I choose this pink and black paper just as a little bit of contrast to the other 2 pieces. So for card number 1, I am just choosing my circles, and I decide to use a few of the circles on my card. I then take a blank white 5x7 inch card, and here I am going to glue a piece of black card onto my card blank, and then I am going to take a piece of white card and layer it over the top of the black card. So here you can see I have started sticking my circles down using my tacky glue, and the papers I have chosen with the patterns and the colours of the paper with the light and the dark, I think just gives the card a little bit of a contrast. So here I am just dotting the different size circles around my card, layering part of the circle on top of the previous circle. Next I added some sparkly gems, which I coloured in pink, and I also added some little pearls, which I have grouped together in 3s. And then to finish my card, I have taken a sentiment with love, which I have taken from the Simply Birds paper pad from the Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. I have popped it up onto some foam pads, and there you go. Card number 1 is finished. On to card 2. So for this one I have popped a piece of black and pink card on to my blank card. Then I have taken the paper from the Springbird paper pad and I cut out a circle shape. Then I pop the circle into my trimmer where I have the lines going across the paper. I use these as a guide to cut my paper into strips. A little tip: if your paper doesn't have any lines going across it, what you can do is use your scoreboard to create your lines, and then use your trimmer to trim it up. So here you can see me just cutting the circle into little strips. Do that all the way through the circle. So here I am just taking my pink card and I am using my tacky glue to stick it to my black piece of card, and then I am going to take the black and pink card and pop that onto my blank white 5x7 inch card blank. And then here I have all my pieces cut out, and I have just taken my die and I've stuck it down onto my card with some low tack tape. this is a little guide for me to then pop my little pieces into my card. Now here you will see me popping them down with some glue. However, they should have been on some foam pads, which you will see later on in my video where I actually correct this. Okay, so you might be wondering why I've got my circle in my hand. Like I said earlier there, I made a little mistake by not popping my little strips on to some foam pads. So here I have sorted my little problem out. So I will just take you through that step again. So once you have trimmed your circle down and made your little strips, what you will do is pop some foam pads onto the back of the strips, leaving a little gap as you go. Now then, to do this, you can use your circle die, which you would have seen me earlier in my video using when I was sticking them down with my glue. Here you can see me just taking my circle die and making sure that everything is lined up nicely and it is in the correct shape of a circle. And then to finish my card, I've just popped a couple of little sparkly gems and a couple of pearls, and again I have used the With Love sentiment from my paper pad. So there is card number 2. Okay, so for my third and final card, card number 3, I started with 3 circles which I have cut out, and then you can see me folding each of the circles in half. I have chosen some pink coloured paper, one in a plain and one in a marble effect. The other is a floral paper. So here I am going to use 6 half circles, and I am going to start with a 5 by 7 inch card blank, which I am popping landscape. I am taking my largest circle, half circle, which is the floral design, and I am popping it to the sort of top right of my card. Then I am taking the other half of this circle and I am just popping my tacky glue on, and here I am going to pop it, lining it up to the left hand side of my card and taking it underneath the top half circle. Then I am taking my plain pink paper, which is the next half circle size down, and I am sticking it over the top of the previous one. So here I tend to pop the half circle right to the end of the previous circle at one side, and then this just leaves a lovely little bit of a border around the half circle. Now do the same on the bottom part of the card. So I repeat the same method with my half circles at the bottom as I do at the top. So that is my half circles cut down now and stuck onto my card. So next I decided to take a black strip of card just as a little contrast to the pinks and the white of the card, and I've cut that down and I'm going to stick this across the center of my card. I then take another With Love sentiment, which again is taken from the Spring Bird paper collection from the Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. So I am just sticking this down flat with my tacky glue. Then here I have coloured some little pearls in, and I also have some little sparkly gems which I have also coloured in, and I have used my little Sharpie colouring pens to colour these in pink, and I am just popping these 3 at either side. So I'm putting 1 sparkly gem and 2 little pearls at one side of my card, and repeating this on the left hand side of the card. I've then got this lovely little topper, which is also from the Spring Bird paper pad, which I am just sticking flat onto my card into the top left hand corner. And just to finish off, I popped a little pink pearl at the top and a couple of little sparkly gems which I also coloured in pink. So yeah, there you go. This is my finished 3 cards which I have created using my circle dies. I have thoroughly enjoyed using these, and each card is very different. There you can see my first and second card I made. I'm not sure which is my favourite one. Those 2 are portrait style and the other one is a landscape style. I really do like them all, but I think I could be steering possibly to either my first or second one. Do let me know if you have a favourite, and yeah, that is it. I hope you have enjoyed my video today and it's given you some ideas of what you can do using circles. If it has, will you please leave me a comment, like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. And yeah, that is it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.